YouTube, what's going on? Andrew Darling here. Yeah, I've had a day. So I'll explain this shirt at the end. It's kind of amusing to see if you can see the whole thing. Barracks School of Law, that's an old sort of army joke. Anyway, what happened today? It's December 5th. What's going on in December? Finals prep is full underway. I had a final this morning. Whew, business associations. BA. Man. That is not the one you want. Anyway, got BA taken care of today. I woke up at 3:30, drove 4.5 hours down to Miami, took an exam for 4 hours and 15 minutes. It was a 4.5 hour exam. I got there about 15 minutes before the close. If anybody's listened to me talk before about my finals, it almost never takes me nearly the entire finals time to finish. But this time it did. That's life, I guess, when you should have spent more time on the subject. So what do I have left? It's a Tuesday right now, December 5th. I have a Con Law 2 final on Friday. Y'all, it's a take-home final. But it's an 8-hour final. Y'all, 8 hours. 8 hours. Anyway, and then I have two 30-page papers due. One of them is going to be about a 2-day turnaround, and the other one I'm frankly going to need all 5 days to do. So the first one is on the wire class that I've been taking. Lot to do with police procedures and how they interact with people in certain communities. And then the paper that's going to need the whole week, that's going to be e-discovery. So my professor in that class is incredibly smart, just one of, frankly, the smartest human beings I've ever met. So I definitely need to put a full 5 days, a full 40-hour work week into that paper. So that's really what I got going on right now. I'm in my house, so welcome. We finally closed on our house up here in Central Florida, if you're wondering why I had such a long drive. But yeah, I went took the BA final and turned right around and drove back, and I still got to get my daughter at volleyball practice in 2 hours. Well, an hour and a half-ish. I don't know, it's like 7:30. I've been up for 16-ish hours. It's a day. It's law school. It's life. Finals, full effect. So it's not as crazy. It shouldn't have to be this crazy for most folks, but I mean that's where we are right now. That's okay. My kids are starting to get settled in. My kids have been doing well in school, so I gotta try to set some sort of example. I took BA pass-fail, which pretty much means if you get a C or better, you pass. If you get a C- or a D, I think you get a C- or a D. Being a transfer student, I'm not really ranked, so for me, strategically, it really didn't make a difference whether I took it pass-fail or not, but I decided to do it anyway. So that's pretty much it, man. That's my December. It's been crazy. I am going to do my best in my last semester, starting in January, to do a better day in the life sort of thing. My days are insane, so they're not really accurate as to what's going to be normal for most law school students, so I haven't really done one. Other than that, man, thank you guys so much for everything, man. If you got questions, if you started to do finals, if you're maybe a spring start person somewhere, reach out, talk to me. I'm available. Mr. Darling 4 on Twitter, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Subscribe, like the video, blah, blah, blah. I'm tired. I'm going to shower. I'm going to go get my kid, and then I'm going to go to bed. Y'all have a good one. It's final season, y'all. Finals are upon us. Get used to it. Talk to you soon. So I forgot to explain the shirt. My bad. Barracks School of Law. What does that mean? So when you're in the Army, you always have these people who, they're clearly not lawyers, okay? They live in the barracks, and they tell soldiers, oh, but, I wouldn't let them treat you like this, or I wouldn't let the chain of command treat you like that. And basically, they get this sort of bad rap of being the barracks lawyer. So that's pretty much all it is. It's sort of a military thing, something that I remember fondly from my time. I was in human resources when I was in the Army. I supervised a couple paralegals, so I definitely understand that struggle. So Barracks School of Law, that's what it is. Talk to you soon.